Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from Indian, guys. I am learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. And today is the day 21 of 30 days English speaking challenge. And guys, as you know, I started this 30 days English speaking challenge because I want to improve my communication skill and to be a more confident. So that is why I started this challenge, and now we just completed 20 days of this 30 days English speaking challenge, and today is a day 21. So in today's video I would like to talk about many people are facing the problems they can understand English, but when it's come to speak they just forget the words and they can't speak English that time. So they feel embarrassed in front of their friends, also in front of people. So in today's video I would like to talk about how can we remove and how can we remove this fear, hesitation and fear of speaking. So in today's video I would like to talk about everything, like how can we speak and how can we improve our communication skills. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, many people facing these type of problems. So these type of problems are very common because we understand English, because English is we study English till 12th, but we can't speak English because of the reason, for speaking we need practice, exercise of mouth also, and also we have to study how can we speak and how can we conversation and how can we repeat and pronounce the word. So we have to understand and learn. And guys, we just need to practice every day if we want to speak in front of anyone. So if you want to speak English confidently, so you just need practice every day. You have to speak 10 to 15 minutes every day in front of mirror. Also you can speak, and also you can record your voice, because when you record your voice so you can uh, uh, like uh, listen after recording, and just you can listen whatever you did mistake, whatever you did make mistakes. So that is why you can improve your mistake also. And if you speak in front of mirror, guys, so it's very helpful to build confidence. Sometimes it happens, I also face this type of problems, I know the answer if someone speaking in front of me in English, and I just try to speak in English and I know the answer, whatever I have to reply I know, but because of fear and hesitation and lack of confidence I couldn't speak in front of anyone in English. So that is why it happens also in earlier time with me also. And many people also think if I'll speak English in front of anyone, so I can do mistake, I can make mistake. So it happens everyone's, it happens anyone, but we have to just remove our fear and hesitation and to be a confident. So that is why we can improve and we can speak this language. And sometimes it happens we can't pronounce some difficult words, so we just need a shadowing practice. If you do shadowing practice, so you can easily remember the words and easily pronounce. It helps to conversation and improve communication skill and way of talking. So this is how you can improve. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you in today's video, because the conclusion is this video, if you really want to speak this language, so you have to practice every day. Just talk about anything. First, you don't know, like more words, so you just take a simple topic and just started to speaking on that topic. Like you can take your introduction about your daily routine, about anything. If you are sitting on a terrace, so you can describe all the things whatever you are saying. If you are sitting on your room, so you can describe your surrounding on your room. So this is how I also improve my English. And guys, you can also improve because we just need practice. We understand everything in English, but we just need practice because you know, when we try to speak in front of anyone, so that times we can't speak, we feel embarrassed, we feel hesitate. So we have to just remove this hesitation, this fear, and this we have to just remove the lack of confidence. We just uh, and if you guys uh, speak in front of mirror, so it's very helpful. You can build the more confident and just try to face the camera. You know, in my earlier time also, when I started to making a video, I was not able to make a video properly. I just try again and again, again and again. In a day, I will make I made a lot of videos, like 9 or 10 videos I made in a day in my earlier time. But you know, when I just try again and again, again and again, so I just able to shoot the video and make the video. Now I'm making this video, I can easily speak in front of anyone. I can speak in front of camera also, because now I'm confident. Now I can speak because of the reason I do English practice every day. So guys, if you really want to learn this language and speak this language, so you have to practice every day. You have to speak every day, and just face the camera, face the mirror, and record yourself, and also analyze your video and find your mistake also. This is how you can improve your mistake also. You know, in our earlier time we make a lot of mistake, but don't afraid of making mistake, because making mistake is a part of learning. If you are doing mistake, that means you are something, you are learning, because we learn from our mistakes. So that is why I'm saying you just need practice. Do practice every day, and if it's possible, so just make a video, and after record your video, you just try to watch this video and find your mistakes and work on your mistakes. So this is how you can improve, guys. And that's all I wanted to share with you in today's video. Now I'm ending this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.